So here goes the truth. We have a weight scale also on. 0.
The truth.
Put it. Today is May 2019. Guess what we got? We got a bountiful cherries around here.
Rainier cherries.
Yeah, Rainier. Oh my goodness.
No, it's kind of silly. Our Bing cherry tree is still in a giant pot because we haven't figured out a home for it, and the wind knocked it over and the squirrels ate all the cherries off of it.
Look at all that fruits.
Look at this one, Dad. It got a little munched on.
Well, if
Only a tiny spot.
it's only a speck, then it's fine.
Harvest day today. That is just
You don't want these.
way bountiful.
Yeah, this tree did great. Our other Rainier cherry tree, it's almost bald. It's crazy.
Yeah, right now.
It's crazy how this one did so well and the other one didn't do so good. But I mean, look at this. Look at all those cherries there.
Yep.
Just a few years ago, I think we got like 3 cherries on the whole tree.
We have quite a few of them that last 3 years.
Dad, this cherry was on the ground. It is so red and nothing's been eating it. Not a one hole.
Fine.
What do I do with it?
If there's no holes, then we'll just gamble that no worms are in it.
Oh, so I can eat it?
Happy day.
Look at this one.
So much cherries.
I'm gonna eat it. Okay, I washed the cherry. Who wants the cherry?
Go ahead.
Okay. Oh my God, this one. Oh, I got it. Huh, double one. This one's red.
I don't need to see every single one.
Where's the bucket?
Where is the bucket? I don't know. It's kind of like a math problem. You gotta look with your eyes and not just your mouth.
Harvest day. It's windy. They want to lose all of our tree.
All of our tree.
I mean all of our cherry.
It was really windy last night too. So I wouldn't be surprised that some of the cherries are on the ground are full.
lot of harvest this year. I'm still like on just this first couple little branches.
No, chick. Hey,
This is a good problem to have.
the golf cart.
Can't complain, huh?
Got like nibbled because it's out of the trap.
Alright, here we go. We have our cherry harvest for the year. 2019, May. Woohoo! Look at this! Two bags full of that much.
Rainier cherries.
1, 2.
That's a lot of
Really deep. See?
And
Heavy.
it's some poundage. And then Rainier cherries that a couple years ago were like $7 a pound. I can imagine what they are this year.
Yeah, they're probably are 200 worth, huh? This one here?
I don't know.
We're definitely not
Look at that.
selling.
All
That's
I know
a
is
deep bucket right there. Yeah.
I don't need to buy
6 inch,
any
maybe?
cuties or halos for a while because I'm going to be eating cherries.
Me too.
Then,
And Rainier
1,
cherries, you can freeze them. And you can
2.
make pies. They're good for cooking and freezing and eating. And
Of course they're good for eating.
not some cherries are mainly for cooking.
yummy.
I just can't believe this tree here has.
We're gonna have a lot of cherry to eat.
Can we
the
eat
weird
some
weather.
now?
this one
Awesome.
blossom die off.
Me too. Dad, do you want some? Cherry?
They can be washed, baby.
We can eat. We can wash the one. Pluck them out of the box.
See, this is what happened to our other tree, Beth. All the
Huh?
blossoms. This is blossom die-off.
Oh, well, something happened.
All
there.
the clumps of blossoms died. I don't know if it was because of the rain or we had freezing temperatures and warm and then
Well-
freezing or what, because we had beautiful blossoms on
It's
both
just-
trees and it's only that tree that had the die-off.
Yeah.
Even through
And they're like, few 10 feet away from each other. 10 feet? See?
About 15.
That's where it is. We'll walk here.
a station on the playground where the
And
kids
there it
can
is.
press a button if they need it.
Take this to the tree.
Put it on the table.
Okay.
Do not drop it on the ground.
Do not pull a Rick Ness.
There, 1. Put it on the table here.
Use those girl
Big
muscles.
one.
That wasn't heavy.
He woman.
Everyone.
That's why
There.
the god was called Hercules, because it was the her that had all the muscles. Way to go there,
That
Hercules.
go.
wasn't even heavy. It wasn't even heavy. Wham! Wham!
Gonna make a big old cherry belly.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Here we go. How much do you think there is
You know
in
what
here?
time
Like
it is,
1,000?
No.
Time to eat cherries.
Yeah, it is.
Alright. Well, let's.
Well, let me see. We have a. So here goes the truth. We have a weight scale also on. 0.
The truth.
Put it. 8 pounds and 13.6.
Wow.
You've
There
ate
you
that
go.
much already?
No, I only ate one.
You usually ate more than that because it was 8.14.
And the other one is
Heavier.
Yeah, I haven't ate one from that. I'm eating
10
another.
pounds and 3.7. Let's see.
Ruby, stop.
10 pounds and 3.7.
My ruby on my shirty. My blowy.
So here we go.
My blowy
So
again.
how much?
And my yummy.
That's
9. It's almost
19 pounds.
19 pounds.
19.1.
19, almost 20 pounds, and we have more in the tree. So there you go.